everybody, thanks for joining me. This is Kay, back at it with a new Cooking with Kay. Today is going to be a breakfast sandwich that you would really love. It's going to be a bruschetta bun. And look how rich that looks. Look at the texture of this bread. This bruschetta is a sweet, really soft bun. And what I'm going to make is I'm going to have eggs, cheese, and our favorite, bacon. So this is an easy breakfast sandwich to make. And I'm going to show you just how easy this is to make. Basically, all you do is just take your cheese, put your cheese like that. Oh, almost got away from me. Take your cheese like that. Take your bacon, break it in half. Just like that. Easy peasy. And if you like a little raspberry Santa Cruz jelly, I always put my date on it. I like to know when I purchase stuff. So that's one of my little habits that I do. So then you just take a little raspberry jelly, just like that. I don't know if my camera lady liked jelly on hers. Sandy, did you want jelly on yours? Okay. Sandy said she wanted just a little on hers too. So then we take a little raspberry jelly and put it on Sandy's too. Okay. As you can see, we're almost there. We have our freshly orange juice, freshly squeezed. Now it's time for the eggs. Now, when you're cooking eggs, this is a fast process. Number one, you need a really nice pan. Take a little pan, spread it like that. And you're gonna move real quick with this because the pan is hot. Okay? Kind of smooth it out, because if you leave just the pan in there, just like how I poured it in there, the pan is going to cook and it's going to get charred. So as you can see, it's already starting to, my eggs are already cooking. See that? You know, you want to take your eggs off the stove if you want to get that beautiful yellow texture. Look how beautiful and creamy the eggs are coming out, right? So then you do that, chop them up a little, just like that, right? Look how beautiful that is, Sandy. And then you just do that. You take your eggs, put your eggs on there, just like that. Just like that. Make a mess on the floor. Just like that. Okay. The next thing I want to do, I want my cheese to kind of melt just a little, but I don't want to cook the bun. Look how beautiful that is. Put it in the microwave. And let's do it for, let's say, 10 seconds. So what I try to show you is quick, efficient ways to make good food. I'm not a chef yet, but I'm showing you how to make a sandwich and dishes that I love in less time. So let's pull it out, and boom, there you go. A bruschetta, egg and bacon with cheese with a nice glass of orange juice. Bon appetit. And I'll see you in my next video.